Did you receive flowers?
May
O
mga
baka
nagbigay.
naman
Oo.
stuffed toy ang natanggap nyo?
Mm.
Or did you receive chocolates?
Mm.
But this time, sabi nga nila, ang famous ay, did you receive money?
Bibigyan ng pera, ilalagay sa sobre, sa kulay pulang
Yeah.
sobre.
Mm-mm.
Oo. Pero sige, kung ano man yung natanggap ninyo, siguro naman happy naman kayo doon. Ano?
Yeah.
Tama ba? Oo. Masaya ang mga wives o kaya yung mga
Yeah.
girlfriends.
Yeah. Kung nasaan man ngayon, we would like to welcome you for another episode of Happy Spouse, Happy House. I am Coach Marian Peña.
And this is Coach Chico at maganda magiging usapan natin. Simpleng-simple lang naman. Kung mapapansin niyo naman hindi naman tayo masyadong nagbibigay ng mga bagay na ikakahirap pa nila, di ba? Kasi
Yeah.
minsan ang dami nating naririnig at pwedeng matutunan diyan sa
Mm-mm.
labas. Tapos ang hirap naman i-apply sa atin.
That's right. Or sometimes, we do not understand bakit ba tayo nakikicelebrate ng tinatawag na Valentine's Day. So
Mm.
tonight, we're going to talk about love beyond Valentine's Day,
Mhm.
how to nurture our relationship at, of course, loved ones.
Mm. So, yun. Lalo-lalo na sa mag-asawa, no? Ano ba ang atmosphere sa inyo? Kasi nga, ang nano-notice natin, naghahanda lang tayo palagi.
Mm-mm.
Pagka Pebrero, hindi naman yata pwedeng Pebrero lang tayo nagse-celebrate o kaya
Yeah.
nagbibigay ng mga bulaklak, tsokolate, at
Mm-hmm.
saka nung sobre, di ba? Yung iba nagbibigay na ng pera. Pati sa asawa, para bahala ka na bumili ng bulaklak mo o
Mm-mm.
kaya
Chocolate.
mag-shopping ka.
Yeah.
Pero maganda kasi nga na merong ongoing efforts. Not only to be able to show love. Hindi naman ibig sabihin that gift equals love.
Yeah.
It's not always that way.
Mm-mm.
But you are there as husband and wife to be able to
Yeah.
express your appreciation.
Yung pagiging thoughtfulness natin. And
Mm,
of course, this is not limited only to, spouses, but in general, the relationship that, God has entrusted
mm,
us. So how are we to nurture this so
mm,
that it can contribute to, the longevity of the
mm,
relationship and our overall well-being? It adds to it.
mm,
Tama, love. It creates a foundation of love and support. 'Di ba? That goes beyond every single day or yung sinasabing the mundane of life. So how are we to nurture this relationship, love?
yeah, yeah. Naalala ko
That's
lang.
what we're going to talk about.
Oo nga eh. Ang ganda ano. At naalala ko lang, eto nga ano, na
Mm-mm.
nakapanlamig tayo. Minsan nga, sumasabay yung
Panahon.
pagmamahalan o sa panahon daw, di ba? Pag malamig
Yeah.
ang panahon, malamig din yung
Yeah.
puso at emosyon
So,
ng mga tao. Sana naman hindi. Kaya
right,
initin
right,
natin yan.
right.
Oo.
And also tonight, we would like to encourage everyone, of course, to consider that not only during whatever holidays we show love, quote unquote, to our spouse and our relatives, but we are going to make it daily. So allow us to share some tips on or ways on how to nurture our relationship.
Mm. So, sige, umpisahan na natin ano, na unang-una, para ma-practice natin ito, regularly express yung inyong thoughts at feelings.
Mm,
Parang kumbaga, dati sinasabi natin palagi na communication is always key.
vital,
Oo,
yeah.
tama. Pero
Mm-mm.
dito sa parte na ito, no, just keep on saying it. I know that hindi yung mga expression ng thoughts and feelings na
Mm-mm. Na kung ano yung sumagi sa isip mo,
o kaya
you
yung
just blurt it out. Hindi ganon.
mga bad
Yeah.
things about your
Mm-mm.
experiences with one another. Pero
Mm-mm.
alam niyo yun, yung maging sweet naman kayo, yung
Right,
gusto niyo
right.
nilalanggam kayo o
And
what.
do not accept that, hindi, I'm really like this. No. All of us, we have the capacity to change. The question is, are you willing to even start somewhere to do it? Maybe you
Mhm.
just got married and you discovered after, how many days or weeks that your spouse is not verbally expressive. So are you just going to accept that?
Mm.
Or, you're going to start this new life together, discovering things for the both of you.
Yeah.
Mm.
So with that, di ba, pagka regularly you're expressing and communicating things,
Mm.
ang second one is maging all ears din tayo. Be all ears to your spouse o yung loved one ninyo. No?
Mm-mm.
As regular as you are in saying things, dapat mas rin, hindi naman natin sinasabing dapat doble. No? Pero ganun din, maging regular lang din yung pakinig
Pakinig.
ninyo. Pakikinggan ninyo yung asawa
Like,
ninyo.
for example, with me and Chico, during meal times, we, agreed to don't put gadgets on the table, or I don't know, how are you going to do this? Because really, the gadgets are the top distractions nowadays. So create your own personal. How can you be all ears to your spouse or your loved one, especially when you're talking to them?
Mhm. So, yun.
You can add also another
nga eh.
one. Yeah,
Sorry. Hinawakan ko yung tenga ko dahil
ako din.
binibigyan tayo ng, we were created by God to have 2 ears. Just one
Dalawang
mouth.
tenga.
At isa lang ang bibig para,
Oo.
it's better to hear more than talk less, maybe.
Oo. Not talk less.
Not talk less.
Talk less. You can add another one to this one, how to nurture relationships. You can intentionally be together. Why don't you engage in activities that you both enjoy? If you're saying we don't have activities together, then start a new activity. Example, like me and Chico, we love, taking walks in the morning, 15, 20 minutes, kasi frees your mind. You can do some vitamin D when the sun is up. There are many, many ways that you can engage in activities together. So why don't you intentionally start something so that you can nurture that relationship? Diba? Or maybe, are you a book reader? You can share the, parang synopsis of the book, or I do not know. Basta do things together.
Na-notice ko lang din that even in the social media platforms, di ba, maraming mga bagay na let's say hindi nyo pa interest pareho. O baka yung isa lang. Kasi ako, kunyari, mahilig ako ngayon nanonood ng mga luto-luto. Yung mga preparations ng mga simpleng-simpleng mga pagkain, or even exercise. So, pagka I find it interesting, share ko. And hindi naman sa nagkataon, but we both have that heart to, number one, yun na nga, mag-exercise. Tapos pangalawa, yung sa food din. Because we're also being careful in the food intake.
Yeah, so
Kaya,
sige, you start something. Maybe you can also share it here. You can type your answers. How are you going to start, or what are the things that you enjoy doing together? The next one is regularly show gratitude. We Filipinos, we are really loving people, right? Show gratitude, appreciation towards one another. What are the examples of this one? Very simple po ito. How many times in a day do we say please to our spouse, our children, our loved ones, our in-laws, and thank you? It will go a long, long way. Napakasimple lang. Sometimes, may pinaabot tayo. Pakiabot naman nung let's say, baso or cup. And then, salamat. Diba? O kaya, i-greet nyo man lang when you wake up. No, love? Good morning, love. Good evening. These are simple things, but it's really very important because it nurtures our relationship together.
Yeah. The next one would be on yung pagiging thoughtful. Okay? Yung mga small actions. Yung mga nag-iwan ka ng small note. Yung mga ginawa mo, nag-grant mo yung small favor na hinihingi ng asawa mo. O yung mga maliliit na bagay na alam mo yun. And nandiyan na yung pagtulong sa mga household chores, di ba? Tumutulong nga ba tayo? Diba? If hindi ka sanay, then sanayin mo rin.
Yeah.
Sarili, tulungan mo naman, magtulungan kayo sa inyong bahay. Tapos siguro part din ng pagiging thoughtful is
Mm.
aside from once in a while during the day, tatawag ka ba, te-text ka ba? Tapos
Mm.
pag-uwi mo, bago ka umuwi, tatanungin mo, ano gusto mong pasalubong, di ba? Malaking bagay eh. Yung kala mo wala lang, pero it will really be
Mm.
something else para sa iyong
Right.
asawa. So, okay, nagbigay na tayo ng 5 at pinag-uusapan nga natin na yung Valentine's, di ba? Or sorry, yung love goes beyond
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's
Yeah.
Day. Kaya kasi hindi lang to para sa isang buong taon, pero it's a lifetime eh. Yung
Mm.
marriage ninyo, para yan sa panghabang buhay.
Yeah. And your relationship with your children, your
Mhm.
relatives, the people around you, your friends. We are
Mhm.
to nurture that. Okay,
Oo.
let's add some more. Why don't you establish common goals,
Mhm.
diba? And work together as a team.
Mm.
It's very important that we should not only do this on a New Year's Day or let's say the beginning of the year, but we can revisit
Mm.
these goals and then
Mhm.
you can adjust accordingly. You foster, a sense of unity when you do this. You are
Mm.
partners in
Mm.
this goal. So why don't you revisit it? Maybe you've been married for so many years. Maybe you just been engaged. Congratulations. So why don't you establish these common goals so that you can have that teamwork and
Mm.
how are you going to achieve these goals?
Mm. So aside from establishing mga common goals, yung
Mm.
susunod natin ay mag-establish din tayo ng mga ulit boundaries.
Ay, important.
Oo.
Oo,
So pag-uusapan yun.
yeah,
Boundaries,
yeah.
boundaries, boundaries. Just to protect yung
Mm.
kayong dalawa, tapos yung marriage.
Right.
Ah, hindi yung sobrang sweet natin pagka Pebrero, tapos biglang pagkatapos ng February 14,
Wala na.
bahala ka na, di ba, kung anong gawin mo. So, hindi, mag-create ka ng boundaries.
Mm-mm.
Marami, boundaries sa emotions mo, na yung
Mm.
talagang kayo lang. Hindi yan pwedeng i-share sa office mate. O kaya hindi yan pwedeng kaaway ng asawa mo yung hobby mo. Let's say, di ba?
Ano mga example? Kaaway ng asawa mo yung pag-sports, ano niya, or
Mm,
pagbibisikleta, or
oo.
kung I do not know.
Share ng
Mm.
share. Oo.
Oh, so
Para at least, di
establish
ba?
those
Oo.
boundaries. Yeah.
Para tayo hindi rin umaabuso
Mm. At
sa mga ginagawa nating yung individually. Yung once in a
mm.
while, okay lang, di ba? May me time ka.
Tamang
Pero,
timing lang.
mm,
At least your spouse or your loved one knows, no? It's called respect as well. You can add some more to this. Ito padagdagan pa natin, no?
mm,
You acknowledge and celebrate each other's successes and milestone.
mm,
In other words, yung kung ano man ang achievement, maybe you've been promoted in work, there should not be a competition. Again, this is a partnership. And these are called milestones in life,
mm,
especially if you have children. The next thing you knew it, they're all grown up and ready to leave the house and have their own family. So you acknowledge and celebrate those things. Kami ni Chico, we always say that we should be intentional in doing this, which means that we do not accept reasons like, ay, malayo kasi, mahirap pumunta doon. Kasi tinatamad ako, Sunday na nga lang, bakit pa ganyan? Bakit pa tayo makikiparty sa kamag-anak? So, please be intentional because this is also one way of nurturing the relationship that we have.
mm. Sana tayo. So, yung last two, okay. Yung susunod ay ito, simple-simple. Baka kasi din, may mga pagkakataon na pagka Pebrero, ayan, diyan ka magaling. Hindi pala. Diyan tayo magaling na humingi ng sorry
Hmm.
o kaya magpatawad din. Kumbaga, what we're trying to say is forgive and ask for forgiveness
Mm-mm.
all the time,
Mm-mm.
regardless. Basta, be willing to do these things again for the rest of your lives. Ang
Mm.
laking bagay pagka wala kang bit-bit na
Yeah, baggage.
o bagahe o galit mo sa
Mm.
asawa mo.
Yeah.
Lalong-lalo na sa asawa mo. Naku naman.
Mm.
Patawad na tayo.
And
Magpatawad
even
pala.
to our extended family,
Mm.
baka you are living with your
Mm.
in-laws, like we do not know, no? But please consider these things so that you can nurture the relationship.
Mhm.
Another way is do not stop learning. Okay? Discover things with one another. Encourage personal and mutual growth. You support each other's aspiration. Like, for example, did you marry early and then you wanted to pursue a cooking career, or I do not know, maybe a business career, and maybe it's the right time now. So you support also if you want to do further studies. We have a lot of friends who wants to go to master's degree,
Mhm.
or do you want to learn another skill that will enhance how to serve your family. So whatever it is, do not stop learning and encourage one another and support one another.
So, napakasimple ha. 10 lang yun.
Hmm.
10, hindi siya 10 utos. Pero
Yeah,
those are just 10 simple
encouragements.
things
Yeah.
that you can add on to your own list, or gusto nyo
Mm.
mag-add on kayo to the list that we have shared to you. Life is too short, to miss out a lot of things. Kaya, let us choose to embrace yung great significance of nurturing relationships na in-entrust sa atin ni God. Okay, si God ito, hindi ito yung tayo lang. Kaya eto, I'm sure pag napanood nyo na ito, no? We're sure pag napanood nyo to, tapos na ang Valentine's Day. But the continuous showing in the practice of all these things na diniscuss namin sa inyo, talagang, again, it's for a lifetime. You tell your spouse, yung husband mo o yung wife mo, pati na rin yung ibang yung mga mahal sa buhay, mga kamag-anak, how
Yeah.
much you appreciate and how much you love them.
I love you, love.
Oh, I love you, of course naman.
Okay, so once again, this is Coach Marian Peña. Don't forget to like, subscribe to all our social media accounts, and you can share anytime.
This is Coach Chico saying goodbye for now, and then we'll see you again soon. Huwag niyong kakalimutan, araw-araw meron tayong mga naipopost po na hopefully that encourages all of
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Kaya
Okay?
tandaan, ang bawat pamilya may
Ay may
pag-asa.
pag-asa.
Happy spouse.
Happy house.
God bless you.